Hello everybody, welcome to BizzyMind tutorials and entertainment. Today we're going to be looking at how to color grade a photo in Adobe Photoshop. It's just a simple and quick color grading. So as you can see, my application, my Photoshop is already opened on the screen, and you can see my picture is already there. The one we've been doing our color grading on is already there. So the first thing you want to do, you come down to your picture layer. At the right bottom corner of your application, you'll see a padlock icon, meaning the layer is locked, and so it means you cannot do so much on this picture because it's locked. So you have to open it, and there are two ways you have to open your layer to unlock it. The first one, you just place your mouse on the padlock icon and drag it. Place your mouse on it and drag it to this trash can icon at the bottom here. You can see as I'm doing it now. You place it there. You can see the padlock has disappeared. It means the layer is now unlocked. It means you can do so much on it. The other way you can also unlock your layer is to double click on the actual layer. Then a window will appear here. Then you see a button that says OK. You just have to click on the OK button. That's all. So that's for that. Now we want to start color grading on this. It's just a quick one though. We want to start color grading on this photo. You can see the black. We want to brighten the black, bring up the black, bring up the reds and all that, so that the picture would, you want to give the picture a little life so that it can become bright and can become a bit beautiful. So that's what we want to do now. So to do this, we are not going to be color grading on directly on the photograph. It's not professional to do that. So we have to be putting all our setting, the color grading on an adjustment layer. That layer will now be on the picture. So it's not directly, you're not color grading the picture directly. You're color grading, all your setting will be on an adjustment layer. So that's the professional way for you to color grade. So let's create an adjustment layer that will be above this layer now. So you come down to this icon here. If you don't remember, just place your mouse on it. Then the title of that icon will appear. You can see it says create new filter or adjustment layer. So that's where you want to click. You click on it. You see different things you want to select. But in our own case, we have to select selective color. That's what we are selecting. So you click on it. You can see. So from here, you can begin to brighten the black, the white, the red, and all that. That's how you color grade. So now let's start with the black. So you come to this box here where you have red. You want to change it to the black. So you come down to the black. Now we want to begin to bring up the black in the picture. So you can see it here. This side is the black, like you can see. So if you begin to play with this whatever here, you'll see the picture is beginning to change. Can you notice it? So if you bring all the way down, you see the picture has really drastically, the black has really come to life in the photograph. So it's a personal preference. So anyway, you have to adjust it to your liking. So in my own case, I think I want to leave it here. I think I'm okay with this. Leave it here. Then that's for that. Then for all these other ones like the cyan, if you want to add cyan to the black, now you think you're talking about the black, you want to add cyan to it, you can as well adjust it. You can as well adjust it. But just to let you know, the opposite of cyan is red. So you can see if you're dragging it to the right, you're adding cyan to the photograph. But if you bring it to the left here, it means you're adding red because red is the opposite of cyan. So if you like your picture to look this way, you can leave it. But for me, it looks horrible. So I have to take it back. I have to remove it from the red and add a little bit of cyan. So that's for that. I think I'm okay with this. Then you come down to the magenta. The magenta, the opposite of magenta, if you take it to the right, you're adding more magenta. But if you take it to the left, the opposite of magenta is green. You can see my picture looks very greenish. So I think it doesn't look good at all. So I have to take it. So I want to have a little magenta to it. So I think I'm okay with plus 13. Then for the yellow, if you want to add yellow, you take it to the right. If the opposite of yellow is blue. So if you take it to the left, which is the opposite of yellow, you can see the picture is bluish now. But I don't like it like this, so I have to take it to the other side. I think it's okay like this. So you can see the picture it looks better than the way it was. So if you want to off this, if you want to off this layer, this color grading, this layer we've added the color grading to now, so that you can see the difference. Just click on the eye icon beside the layer. You click on it, you can see the difference. Just look at the picture, you can see the difference. With these little things we've just done now, you can see the difference. You can see. I put off the layer. This is what it looks like. I put on the layer. This is what it looks like. You can see there's a bit difference to the picture. So that's just for how you can quickly color grade. If you want to do more, you can just go to the go to the neutral, go to the red. You can come to the red and begin to just mess around with this whatever. If you want to add red, you can see, take it to the now is a red, and most of the color tones is in the red. So if you want to add red to the color tone, to the so you have to bring it to the left and all that. If you want to take it to right, so you can begin to play with it to give your picture a bit life. So let's add a bit magenta. So you bring it to the left. If you want to add green, you can add green. So it's all based on what you actually like. So you can just play with all these whatever here, you play with them to see how your picture looks like. You also come to the black. If you want to add black to the reds, you can also bring it this way like this. You can see there's changes now, and you can also mess with other, if you want to go to the blue, if you want to go to the blue. I think for me, my picture is okay like this. It's okay like this. It's just a simple color grading anyway. So let's off this this color grading layer. Let's off it, the selective layer. Let's off it to see the way the picture used to look and how it looks now. This is how it was looking. Now let's put on the layer back. You can see there's big difference. This is just a simple color grading you can achieve in Photoshop. A lot of people don't know how to do this, so they prefer to go for some filter. You just apply the filter on the photo and all that. But the reason I like this is because you can actually play with setting, give it the amount that you want. So I think I'm okay with this, with the way my picture look now. It looks somehow cold and all that. I think I like it. So that's for that. So that's just a simple way to color grade a photo. And if you want to go for the white as well, you can. This is where you change it. Remember, come to the white. If you want to make the shirt whiter, this is where you come to. You begin to say, okay, you want the white. This is how you change it. You can see it's changing. I think I'm okay with the way it was. So it's okay like this. You can leave it like this. If you want to go for more advanced color grading, you can also do that. We'll do that in our next tutorial. But for now, this is just a quick one. It's just a quick way to color grade. So please subscribe to my channel.